Fortigate firewall. Subscribe now. And one of the features that we saw using the diag systop command is that we can list the most demanding processes, either CPU and memory, using the M and the P character when it is pressed. Now, there is another command, which is the get system performance top, which lists only the most demanding CPU processes. Let's see it in action. So we use the get sys, sorry for that, get sys performance top. Now you will see the most demanding processes, the most CPU demanding processes at the second most right column. That's the CPU column. The most right column is, as we know, the memory column. Now you will see different processes such as the IPS engine or the antivirus scanner, new CLI, or even the SSHD, the SSH daemon. Now, whenever a process is too demanding in terms of CPU, you may need to kill that process, and we saw how to do it using the diag sys kill with a signal level and the process ID. So your access points have been deployed. How can you limit the amount of clients that will connect to your access point, to a specific access point? Client limitation is crucial whenever you have high density deployments and you want your clients to move between access point whenever there is a good signal strength between them and an adjacent access point. Well, you can limit the threshold, you can limit the amount of clients. It can be 10, 20, 30 clients per access point. But you can also control the threshold, the load balancing threshold, so whenever a client has enough signal strength to another access point, it will roam to that access point. Let's see how we do it. Alright, so let's use our command line to enable the access point handoff, to limit the number of clients to that access point, and to configure a threshold. So let's configure the wireless controller WTP profile. There it is. And let's use one of the default profiles, which is the 11N only. Let's configure the radio. And let's set the access point handoff to enable. Alright. And now let's move back and configure the handoff station threshold and limit it to only 15 clients. So only 15 clients will connect to that access point before the load balancing mechanism will start to work. And the last thing to do is to set the handoff RSSI. And let's use a handoff RSSI of 30. Now, in the case where our clients will try to connect to our access point, the controller, our FortiGate that serves as a controller, will signal the client to connect to another access point.